Good morning. Let's make my own version pancake or cupcake or crepes. The ingredients is flour, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, 1 egg, baking, and then I put a little bit of butter, and then I put laban, a little bit of laban. This is my own version, Bisaya version. I put milk, and then mix. It's called mix. It's a little bit dry. You're gonna put more milk. It's easy, my friend. Now, let's put our vanilla for smell good. The ingredients of this mix. It is crepes or vanilla, cupcake in Bisaya version. Baking. What is this? Vanilla, laban, fresh milk. It's easy to make your own version breakfast. Mix. And then in a minute, you need to cook them. This easy breakfast. Thank you. Bye-bye.